Automation Direct sells most any kind of motor you might need. From small DC gear motors to general DC motors, steppers, servos, and a huge range of AC motors up to 300 horsepower. We have AC motors in general purpose inverter duty, high performance inverter duty, 4-in-1, stainless steel and white epoxy washdown, farm duty, hazardous location, jet pump, permanent magnet AC, and many more. We also have plenty of spare parts and accessories. Motors are typically in stock here at Automation Direct or the vendor's warehouse for same-day shipping. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. If you need more help picking a motor, please see our tech support options here. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. And click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.